Hello guys! If you want to make viral reels on Instagram with just your phone, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Reels app, a super simple yet powerful mobile editor for creating trending content. Let's go! You can download Reels app from the App Store or Google Play. It's free, with some premium templates for pro users. When you open it, you'll see a clean and simple interface with three main parts: templates, drafts, editor. One, tap on templates. 2. Choose a trending one. Check the top rows. 3. Select your clips or photos. 4. The app auto-syncs everything to the beat. 5. Now add text animations, transitions, stickers, or filters. 6. In seconds, you have a professional-looking reel. No editing skills needed. Tip 1. Use templates with trending music. Tip 2. Keep your videos short. Under 15 seconds works best. Tip 3. Add dynamic text to catch the viewer's eye. Tip 4. Export in HD for better quality. Tip 5. Use powerful hashtags.
London to Ibiza, straight to LA, New York, Vegas.
If this helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more mobile editing tutorials and let me know in the comments. Which app should I cover next? See you in the next video and stay viral.